Let's talk about GEVO. So if you remember, this is what I had before. This is the channel that we had. We said there is the main channel, and then there is the small channel, which was steeper. And then 2 days ago, GEVO broke this channel. So I adjusted the pivots, and now it broke the channel again. So that tells me this channel is capturing part of the action, but it's not the whole thing. So what I did is that I created a completely new channel, which is wider and at the same slope. All right, so it's capturing that steepness of the price action that is happening with GEVO right now. So we still have the main channel, and then we have this new channel moving here. All right, now the thing is, if you look at what's happening, so one thing about Webull is that it actually these channels start to wander as you go from one time frame to another. So as you can see here, it's moving without us doing anything. So what I need to do is that I go and check the whole thing and then go back, and it should be fixed. All right, so quickly before it starts to wander again, if you look here, you will find that we are at a very critical point. We are at the intersection here of we have the 61.8% Fibonacci extension level, which is at 3.089, all right, or around plus or minus, right? And also that is the point where we have the outer resistance of the main channel, right? So that's a strong structure. We hit it 1, 2, and this is 3. So this is the third time we go and touch that upper or outer resistance of that main channel. So that tells me that this is, and notice here that this took a couple of months to do that. Here it took less than what, 2-3 weeks, right? So in this case we are actually pushing really hard that boundary, trying to break out of this main channel and trying to go to that steeper channel. Also, it's the inner resistance of that new channel, right? So assuming that we chose the pivots right, this is a critical point. This is a strong resistance here. All right. So if you zoom in, you will find here that we are already actually, we tried to push, and then we are starting to reject this one. All right. Now, because of that strong trend of GEVO, I'm not expecting it to drop dramatically. But what I'm expecting it is that it's going to trade somewhere here below that retracement level, and then probably tomorrow, all right, it's going to break out of it. Okay, so I'm not really seeing a lot of action today like yesterday. I could be wrong, and it could break out of it. That's a possibility. But then these candles here, you see rejection, and then it's going down. What I'm seeing here is that it's going to go down. It's possible that slowly go down, retest this 50% retracement or extension level, and then go back up again. All right, so what's gonna happen is that it's probably going to go down and then go up, and then tomorrow, I'm seeing it in the next tomorrow or the next couple of days, it's going to break out of this channel. Now, if it breaks out, then we are heading to the next extension level, which is at 78.6, which the 78.6% extension level, which is at 3.49, 3.5, right? Almost 3.5, which is also the outer level or the outer resistance trend line of the new channel that we just plotted. All right, so assuming this channel is correct, it makes sense to me that it's going to head this sometime tomorrow. All right, now what's gonna happen here? Again, it either goes back and holds this channel for a while, or it breaks out in the following day or so. All right, and start to go and push for that 4 level, which is the 100% extension level from the last action. All right, so that's what I'm expecting. I know people are expecting more momentum today based on yesterday's momentum, which would be great, of course, and I would be happy to be wrong in this case. but this is really what I'm expecting it to do. It's we will be pushing that level today, but I don't think we will break it before tomorrow. Um, so that's what I'm thinking about it. So I'm going to live stream the action with these channels, so this way you can keep track of what we said and see how it's moving. And it makes sense to you, like, okay, we are testing this level because it's there and so on. So that's going to be on the live stream for the rest of the day. So good luck, and I will see you in a future video.